Hi, I'm Todd Brandon and welcome to 45 Wentworth Terrace on the range. This 3-bedroom home is unique with its 2 living areas and side access to the backyard, but what you'll love are these amazing views. Let's take a quick tour. How amazing is this covered little deck? It's overlooking the great vistas to the west and it's conveniently located just off the kitchen. It's the perfect place for an afternoon cocktail or a morning coffee. Well, there you have it, 45 Wentworth Terrace here on the range. It ticks a lot of boxes. 3 generous sized bedrooms, a great view, and a child and pet friendly backyard. If we can help you own this home, give us a call. We would love to help you out.